Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about how to enable account alerts for suspicious activities on Bluevine. Protecting your business finances requires staying informed about unusual account activity. Bluevine allows you to enable alerts so that you can quickly act if something looks suspicious, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. So the first step is to log into your Bluevine online dashboard, or you can just do so on the Bluevine mobile app. Next, navigate to settings from the main menu, and then select notifications and alerts. Now under alerts, security alerts, you're going to toggle on options for unusual login attempts. You can also set it up for large withdrawals as well as suspicious transactions. Choose how you'd like to receive alerts. You could do so via email, SMS, or push notifications. Save your preferences to confirm activation, and from now on, you'll be immediately notified of any suspicious activity, giving you the chance to secure your account before damage occurs. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll